Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice, be glad in it. Morning, good morning. Hey, Max, how you feeling today?
I'm feeling real good. Getting ready for this beautiful ride this morning.
We going up here and try to meet some people, see if we can't do a lunch ride. So, y'all come on ride along with us for a little while, if you would. God bless you. What's up, peoples? Good morning. Hey, we made pretty good time, man. I had to make up a little time. What's up, wonderful people?
Alright. It's a beautiful day out here, isn't it?
It is.
Sure.
What's going on, my
Good
brother?
morning. How you doing? You too?
What's up, lady? Well, you one of the Maxine. You just comfortable. I ain't moving. I ain't taking no helmet off. None of that. Oh,
I'm not getting off the
you didn't go there.
Yes, sir.
I forgot you got the new seat, man.
Yeah.
How you liking it?
Nice.
She was dancing. She wasn't enjoying the music.
version, sir. This is lunch and dinner. Lunch has 1 chicken breast, dinner's 2.
Let's do dinner.
Dinner. And then it comes with rice already. What other side would you like, sir?
Fries?
Fries? Sounds good. And then, sir, you're doing the family reunion as well, right?
I am.
Yeah, and then are you doing brown gravy or tomato sauce?
I am doing brown gravy.
Okay.
I know what I should do.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to do the jasmine mushroom rice.
Okay.
Do you have a plate? I'll give you some bread.
Can't recreate it.
Ladies?
We are twins, so we want to stick to your ribs.
Yeah, do you want lunch or dinner?
Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah, we want dinner.
Okay, and 2 sides now.
And our 2 sides, we want the mashed sweet potatoes
And the steamed,
and double steamed broccoli.
Cheese or no cheese?
I don't want the cheese, no.
Actually, now I
just
need
got a
double
bunch of
steamed
berries.
double steamed broccoli.
You guys are really
You want the cheese?
taking me off of my health.
And you want cheese.
You like it?
Do you want cheese on it?
Do you want the cheese, he's
Your
asking.
broccoli? Go for it.
But put the cheese on the broccoli, you can pick it off or wipe it off.
Wipe it off. Wipe it off.
So I'm going to be the odd lady out.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get the fish and chips?
Oh, look at that. Ain't that wonderful?
Fish chips are so good.
There, do you have malt vinegar?
Malt vinegar for you? Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Oh, that's
you.
so wonderful.
Alright, everyone will take these out your way, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, let me give you this here. Because they just treat me so bad.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we
We would
have.
never do such a
Trying
thing.
to help you out, sir.
They done treat, yeah. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna tend to that. She done fixed me the roll. She done fixed me the roll.
Thanks, sir.
Did you get it wrong?
Can you pass us the plates?
So Lisa, you got a Lisa-nism for us today. No Lisa-nisms today.
Let's see, Lisa is
I don't mind
the Lisa for today is the baby ribs. These ribs are so soft and tender. You don't even need a fork.
Baby
Spoon
ribs.
it.
Baby ribs.
ribs.
Baby back ribs. Not baby back.
Why the
Just
baby
baby
gotta be
ribs.
back? It's baby ribs.
I knew it was coming. Here we go. Here, now we're getting
baby
interested.
ribs. They really don't
So they're
have a
not
back.
baby back ribs. They're baby ribs.
How do you know that's the back of the baby rib?
Why would you eat baby?
Because, I mean, the baby,
There
she's
it
a
is.
baby. She
There
ain't
it
grow all the
is.
way.
And I missed you.
I like
And I
baby.
can't recreate it. With the jerk
What did you
chicken.
do? Oh, you
Everybody loves a good jerk.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm over the embarrassment now.
Nah, it's all gravy. So we having a good
On the
time.
menu right above the happy.
Right above the happy endings, yeah. We're having a good time.
And then I'm just like, yeah, everybody. That's why I was like,
Look,
oh my
people,
God.
we had a great ride over here to Williamsburg.
didn't put no
We come over here to this restaurant, Food for Thought.
Yes.
They got
Did you have ice? Did you?
they got little sayings all over the everywhere.
What is he got here?
So whenever you read, and see, you can't have nothing because she take.
Oh, he got the.
It's an honor palm, it's supposed to be.
Yeah, see,
But
we all got sweet.
you can't have nothing for yourself to take
Sam
this
the
stuff.
Oh
And
no, we got unsweet. So
I'm trying my
Oh yeah,
best.
he's kind of like the athlete.
But we're just gonna sit here and laugh with each other.
Yes.
And Lisa's gonna come up with something else interesting
Yes,
before it's
I
over
will.
with.
Yeah.
And now we got
Always
Cali
have a
Rose.
final
Cali
thought.
Rose will come up with something very interesting again
Yes.
before it's over with.
Yes.
So we
I
just
would
gonna,
listen intensively.
you will listen.
Now, I will tell you this. The
Yes.
name of the place we're at is Food for Thought.
True for thought.
And they have so much good food, you really do have to think, what do I want?
Right.
Choices are.
And I trust her simplicity. That's why.
Simplicity. Simplicity.
Yeah, we got exactly
the same.
That's a big word.
It's
We're
same
making up.
word.
Y'all see what?
Please don't call that out.
No, she said look, we just do it like we do it.
Simplicity.
We just do
She's
it.
sitting next to a teacher that has a master's in English, and I did not correct
You
her.
didn't catch it.
No, I caught it.
Caught it.
Oh yeah, I caught it. I didn't correct
So I'm the
her.
bad one because I
I
corrected it.
corrected it. too. I was like, well, I think we
Don't play Scrabble with her.
I'm like, simplest, yeah.
Simplicity.
Please.
Can you spell that?
What did you say?
Can you spell that?
I thought it
Implicit. 5 letters or
She
less.
said spell it clean.
I never catch wise.
Smarter than a
Implicitly. Okay.
Now you changed. You said implicitly. Then you said implicitly. You said implicitly.
Oh my God.
It's implicitly.
But she said implicitly. Hooked on phonics.
we in Williamsburg.
You know what? I used to
There's no limit. There's no limit to the amount of trust that she had.
I think we might be taking food for thought too seriously.
We had to wait. Leo, Leo, we had to write. Let me let y'all know. Look, dude, something just made me. Anyway,
Making us think, isn't it?
I know y'all gonna laugh. Y'all are gonna laugh.
Interesting.
You look like your ass sleeping.
No, I'm just. If I am, you drive back. It ain't no big thing.
Oh,
You gonna have to wait. It ain't no big thing. Ain't no big thing.
You won't drive back. You won't get back.
I just won't be behind you.
Oh,
I'm sure I can find you though.
Jesus. Oh my God. Look, all we gotta do is tie a bell to Lisa's bike and let her just follow the bell. Just follow the bell. All right,
You know
y'all.
that's how I
We're
learned how to
gone.
shoot archery.
Follow the bell.
Really?
All right, y'all. We're gonna talk with y'all later.
I'm sorry, I'm just swinging my knife.
You have
And I don't mind.
So I got the 3 batteries
The
and the 3
marbles.
battery
It came out
charger.
last year on his birthday.
And then so
So I
bring the
took him to
cord
that.
and
I
put
didn't
that in the
see
back.
it.
I
I was
did.
like, oh,
And then you
it's
just plug
amazing.
through the batteries.
But I bought an extra battery.
Sure.
I got one
And so
extra.
when
I got one extra
it came
battery.
out, I rented
So
it, and
I'll take the 3 thing, plug it in
So I do
the
actually
trunk,
take the opportunity
and then I
to
just rotate
talk
through
about
the
our
To the battery.
Yeah.
All right, Lord.
Look, we need to go to it's a town called Pickle Town, and everything they make out of pickles.
Oh, shit, I love pickles.
They have pickle T-shirts. It's a whole town. Remember?
They
Pickle T-shirts.
They have pickle beer.
They have pickle beer, pickle chips,
pickle everything.
pickle hot dogs.
Yeah.
I could eat those, but the beer I might have a
It's like
problem
their
with.
motto in a small town. And they have a festival every year. Pickle Town.
No, you're great.
Where's Pickle Town? You gotta find Pickle Town.
Is that on it? But you're not joking.
Where is it located
I
at?
can't see your face.
It's a pickle festival.
Yeah, it's a
In what state
It's
is
a
it?
smaller
But I
town.
don't know if it was a town. In what state is
a
it
little
located?
town.
Can you
We're about to
please
Google
Virginia.
it. It's not
Virginia.
in Virginia.
Yes, it was.
Is it in Virginia?
Thank you
I'm
so
gonna
much.
find Pickle Town.
You
I'm
said
gonna
about
find
how
Pickle
that-
Town.
Care for dessert menu today or not?
Oh wait, I'm just curious. What kind of dessert do you have?
She might.
Show you the menu.
Yes, would you? Yes.
It's got
I'm just
pickles.
curious because everything's so good. I just.
So anyway,
It has been
oh my
amazing.
God, hold that. You hold the camera.
What you got the camera on?
It's on. It's recording right now.
Oh my God.
Keep it on you.
Next one, on me. Keep it on me.
Oh yes, it's on you. Why not? It's exactly on you, girl.
Hello?
Yeah, that's right.
Hello?
Taking the yeah, that's right. Pickletown. If anyone out there see this video, if you know where Pickletown is, everything is pickled. They have their flag is a pickle. Pickle T-shirts, pickle chips, pickle hot dogs.
I'm looking.
If you find it, please contact us in the comment section and tell us where Pickletown is. All right. You is too funny. Look, cause the show hands got it.
It's like this side of the table doesn't exist.
At least I'm part of the side of the table.
You do know you have to turn that camera.
I know it, but
It's a 360 camera.
I know it, but I like looking at it.
Yeah. It's going around. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There you go.
I'm gonna do you like your daughter.
Going viral.
I'm gonna do you like your daughter. I'm gonna do you like your daughter.
Okay, all right, let's do this.
I'm gonna let you be great.
Yeah. We are going to do Pickletown with pickle beer, and I dare anybody else to
There
say
you
no.
go. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate that information.
How was the pot roast, Sam? Mr. Sam, how was the pot roast?
He said the pot roast was really good.
He said the pot roast was
and
really
that's
good.
why he asked for the pot roast, so that, yeah, because he didn't like it.
And look how he's so easily
more
putting
like
that pot
Mama's
roast
meatball.
in there.
Yeah.
He is, look at that. He is really working that spoon and fork.
They'll really pick it up on camera.
So there's the Virginia Beach Pickle Fest,
Oh, you found the pickle fest.
Oh, okay. Let me
or
get
there's
that.
the Pickle and Grilled Cheese Festival in Stafford,
All right.
So all of these pickle places are in the
So we need to go to these pickles.
So we just have to make a time to go to these.
Yeah, well, so Pickle Town is actually California, so I figured that
Okay, the
was
pickle town. Okay, no. But you said the pickle festival, yeah.
But it died. Okay.
I got all
It ain't dead. No, it's not dead. It's not
You
dead.
said pickle festival and was
So there's the Virginia Beach Pickle Fest, which was in September.
Oh, so we did miss it. I forgot there was September because it's already been too late.
Yes. Yeah.
So did you ask for a dessert menu, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just curious as to what they had because everything was so good.
Let me do like her. Okay, what? What?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I knew my phone was on.
Oh, did it really? You got it, bro? You got it?
That was a long stretch. I got it.
Thank you.
So let me take this meatloaf that you didn't like.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's just like my mother's meatloaf.
Oh,
And I never ate.
Especially your mother's meatloaf?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Bad dessert. It's hot apple nacho with vanilla bean ice cream.
That's
Dan read that to me.
You gotta eat your ice cream with a what?
It's hard.
Eat your ice cream with a what?
Caramelized apple cinnamon top.
What are you gonna eat your ice cream
Cinnamon,
with, Lisa?
sugar, dust,
Lisa, what are you gonna eat with your ice
vanilla
cream?
bean ice cream,
What in the world?
and drizzle.
What are you gonna eat your ice
Real
cream
honey.
with?
That sounds good.
Lisa, what are you gonna eat the ice cream with? What are you gonna eat?
It's a hot apple nacho with vanilla bean ice cream.
Dan went on and looked at the menu and he read me that dessert. I said, okay, I'll have that for dessert. That's my lunch.
Lisa,
Bread
Lisa.
pudding with brandy cream sauce.
Hey Lisa, are you gonna eat your ice cream with a fork?
Why do we need that? We have nachos, right?
No, she's gonna use chopsticks.
That's how I eat.
I'm done, y'all. Look, I'm done. I can't do no more. These cats got me about to die laughing. Alright, y'all, peace.
I'll stress them more. From deep in my soul, you have this feeling. Happy
All right, people, we're about to jump on this ferry.
the shade.
Yeah, go upstairs. You want to take your helmet off or you want to leave it on? Oh, yeah, that's right. I got a helmet off. I figure I just don't put it like that. I don't feel like taking the bar and all that.
I pretty much run lines the whole time and then just cut it out.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is the short reach handlebar?
Yeah, I bought the short reach handlebars, and they are 6 inches smaller in diameter than the factory ones. I was able to keep my 2-inch spacers and have enough wire, but when I tighten it down, they don't tighten it, so I gotta get a different spacer. It's kind of like having 8 hangers on.
Yeah.
Now that would be funny on one of those.
Yeah, give me the 14-inch 8 hanger.
Which I did not imagine.
I think it'd be nice, man. We got the power steering too. Come on now.
But on two-wheelers, you think their hand goes numb now.
Yeah. What is it, about a 5-minute ride?
A little longer than that.
A little bit longer.
I guess it's probably 15.
Really?
They do it every half an hour.
Okay.
They're cranking people on and off, but sometimes they probably stand for plus minutes to get everybody on.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh. That ain't work. No smoking out here with this water, all this water. You sure don't want to catch the water on fire.
all the people, hoping somebody's gonna have food.
Yeah.
Thank you for organizing this today.
Hey, man. You know, thank you for always doing it.
Yeah.
Good, Richard, the rest. Well, everything, you know, Saturday ride. You know, to get people together to ride.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I like small groups like this more than the 20 bike group.
But you can't laugh like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I pray there.
Right. People end up being spread out. Somebody always ends up being off by themselves. And I'll just be honest with you, for me, the actual writing is more stressful. Yeah, because the longer you're thrown out, yeah. That's part of why I prefer to be towards the back. Because I don't follow as closely as a lot of people do. And so I'd rather have a few people.
I see some of them, man, they're like,
I know, yeah. And I don't know why I'm not following because I'm not super comfortable when they follow me that close. So,
I think it's truck drivers. I was driving truck for so long, I've learned to keep that space. If I'm running with a truck, I look at my mirror and see right here.
yeah.
I think it's time we go over here and get on the ride. We need a car or a bike, you know. I feel like I pick up, I just quiet. If I'm leaving, I'll take the red light, I don't go to the line. I can see the truck driver. You know what I'm saying? If you go to the left around the curve, what's up? What's up? How you doing? What's up? I was watching you last night. What's going on? What we doing? You have been up to, out for somebody's birthday, and then my baby's birthday brother. She's supposed to be jumping all the time. Yeah. I watched it last night. I was just telling him, I was like, I was I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Man, I watch you all, man. I got you on there too. You on there too. I got a couple of videos I gotta get off of that. This one, I'm recording now. You're waiting for people. So we're recording right now. Good news. They call me good news. Yeah. Where you did, but I'm still petty. You just stay petty, okay? Yeah, man. Yeah. I ain't done nothing to it. It's still pretty much other than the armrest. I ain't done nothing to it. I'm getting ready to think about this. I love it, man. Really, I love it. I like the F3 when I'm sitting in it. Right. To me, I feel like I'm sitting in it. It's more like sitting on my regular bike. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting down in it. Where with the RTs, I feel like I'm sitting on it. Right. Yeah, that's just me, though. You know what I'm saying? Look at the size of that darn dog. And y'all are a big girl, right? Yes.
Oh, yeah, big laugh. Cool.
Y'all are the biggest birds, right? I live in Victoria, but we run out of Victoria. Right. Yeah, I live in Victoria. So it takes me, most of the time when we go somewhere to meet up for a ride, it takes us an hour, 20 minutes, hour, 20 minutes to get to the meetup spot. Then when we leave, it normally takes me that long to get back. Everybody else is at home while we stay at the ride. But if there ain't nobody in Miami, you're right. So I didn't do Richmond, man. Right. Right. Oh, no, man. You might got some Rikers. Yeah, a lot of Rikers in Miami. Yeah. But they ain't got, they run around the city. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Rikers are local ride. Yeah. But they ain't, you know, we got. Nah, We got a bunch of folks around with us that got the 900, they be right there with us. But on the problem is, they only get like 110 miles per tank. That's what I'm saying. But I'm getting on the street, yeah, when I fill them. Your name again? Steve. Oh, Robert. Steve Robert. I appreciate your support. No, I know. I'm sitting there watching last night about 11, 12 o'clock. I'm sitting up there watching. I saw the him all night. You never know who you're going to run I'm not the first one of Wait a minute, no. I asked about my truck license. That recognized me. And I was in Massachusetts. Yeah, I was in Massachusetts. And I'm like, yeah. You got a YouTube channel? Yeah. Nigga, what's the name of your YouTube channel? Alright. Hey man, bless you, Steve. Thank you, man. Thank you. We almost there. But you better run up on that. If I don't have good music, I just listen to him. That's right. Oh, you agree? Okay. I was like, all right. Come on, him. Where you glasses at? YouTube thing I'm getting you just now. See, I was 11 o'clock last night watching the birthday ride. Your birthday. The guy there in Space Shop named Steve. Man, people, we had an awesome day, people. I hope y'all enjoyed riding along with us, spending the day with us today. I want to thank Brother Gerald, Lisa, Leo, Callie, coming out, hanging out with us, man. I tell you what, we laughed. Gerald made a suggestion that I should have recorded the entire time we were sitting at the table, because we laughed from beginning to end. But I don't know, I may actually do that one day. Just set the camera up and just let y'all just come on and laugh with us, because we always get our laughs in when we together. So it's always a good time, and I'm just glad y'all were able to come along and ride along with us. So we're headed home now. I think, well, we might get home a little bit later. I know Gerald and Lisa will be first. I think maybe Callie and Leo and then us. But it's going to be all right, though. It's been just a great day. God blessed us with some beautiful weather. It got a little warm. It got a little warm there for a minute, sitting there waiting to get on the ferry. But once we got on the ferry and the ferry started moving, we got a little breeze, and that was awesome. Tell you, it makes you feel kind of good. I met a YouTube fan, so I want to say thanks again to Brother Steve for coming over and hollering at me, man. Maybe one day, even though you slingshotting, maybe one day we'll get together again and get to do a little riding, man. I appreciate everyone's support. I want to say thank you to all of the people who have subscribed and followed my little channel. It's growing. I'm going to try to get more content out to y'all, but yeah. Well, y'all just come on, and we're going to head home, so let's ride along with us for a little while longer here, if you would. God bless you.